I'm gonna show you how I have personally upgraded my Model Y Juniper into a much smarter car by using the Sexy Commander. It's a dongle that we have created a long time ago that creates unique automations for your car, and it works not only on the Juniper but also on every Model 3 or Y. So let me show you my most used 3 features with this product. To show you how the product works, first we need to install it inside the right A-pillar port of your car. Then by using the Sexy app, you can choose which action you want to assign to your Tesla. For instance, because the Juniper model doesn't have a gear shifting lever, I have made it so my right scroll wheel does the job. Whenever I flick up, it goes into drive, and whenever I flick back, it goes into reverse. The next automation I use is called ambient light effects, and what it does is it's turning the basic LED strip inside the car into a smart one. For instance, I have set it up whenever I use my left turn signal, the left part of the strip flashes in green. If there is somebody in my blind spot, it starts blinking red, and whenever the autopilot wants me to grab the steering wheel, it flashes blue. And last but not least, because this car doesn't have full self-driving, I use a feature called continuous autopilot. It automatically re-engages my auto steer whenever I do a lane change without me having to press on the steering wheel button once again. Guys, as you saw from this video, this product looks extremely tiny, but it's extremely powerful, and it has tons of unique automations, not only for the Model Y Juniper, but for every Tesla model out there. And if you think that you will enjoy this product and it's going to improve your daily commute, make sure to visit enhauto.com because we have tons of information and videos about all the available actions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because in the next video, I'm going to show you how I connect the Commander to our Sexy knob, which is the smartest rotary dial for Model 3 and Y. I'm going to see you in the next one.